Welcome to this Python programming tutorial series. In this series, we will be learning Python, a powerful and popular programming language used in a wide range of applications such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. Before we get started, let's make sure you have Python installed on your computer. Head over to the Python website and download the latest version of Python. Here is the website, www.python.org, and you can download the latest version here based on your operating system. I am using Jupyter Notebook, which is very popular. Here is the environment of Jupyter Notebook, and you can see different files in different directory you are using and different cells in the right hand side that you can run your code in each cell. For running the code in each cell, you can use this triangle here, or you can use keyboard shortcut Shift plus Enter. Let's write our first program. The first program is Hello World program. Print Hello World and then close parentheses, and I run this cell by Shift and Enter, and you can see the output is Hello World. The print function is a built-in function in Python that allows us to display output on the screen. Here we are passing the string hello world as an argument to the print function, which will display it on the screen. There's another way to run a program in Python, and it is using text editor. You can use any text editor to write your Python function. For example, I can use this text editor to write this print hello world, but I cannot save this function, but I cannot use the same extension of txt for this file, and I need to rename this extension to first.py, which indicate that we want to interpret this function, this file as a Python function, as a Python program. So we could run this file directly in this cell by this command Python and the name of the file, which is first.py. And when we run this cell, you can see that the output of the function appears on the screen. And that is it for our first Python program. In the next video, we'll dive deep into the Python syntax and learn about basic data type and operator. Thanks for watching and happy coding.